To integrate Bill.com API with Zapier, start by understanding what each platform offers. Bill.com is a cloud-based platform for managing bills and payments, while Zapier is an automation tool that connects different applications. Integrating the two allows for streamlined workflows and automated tasks. First, create a Zapier account and connect your Bill.com account by navigating to the Zapier dashboard and clicking on Connect Account. Search for Bill.com and follow the prompts to authenticate your account. You will need to provide your Bill.com login credentials and authorize Zapier to access your account. Next, choose the trigger that will initiate the automation. This could be a new bill being created in Bill.com or a payment being made. Zapier will then fetch the relevant data from Bill.com and use it to trigger the next action. After setting up the trigger, connect the action app. This could be an accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, or a project management tool like Trello or Asana. Configure the action by mapping the data from Bill.com to the corresponding fields in the action app. For example, when a new bill is created in Bill.com, you can use Zapier to automatically create a new invoice in QuickBooks. Simply map the bill date, amount, and vendor from Bill.com to the corresponding fields in QuickBooks. Best practices for integrating Bill.com API with Zapier include testing your Zaps regularly to ensure they are working as expected, and using filters to control which data is being passed between apps. It is also important to monitor your Zaps for errors and take corrective action when necessary. By following these steps and best practices, you can create powerful automations that streamline your workflows and increase productivity. The integration of Bill.com API with Zapier allows for a wide range of possibilities, from automating bill payments to syncing vendor information. With a little creativity, you can use this integration to simplify your accounting and payment processes and focus on more strategic tasks.